Hello friends, it came to my mind that I should put up a video maybe to improve upon my previous video title, Time is an Illusion. My intention is not to educate anyone, neither is my intention to reveal something which has not been revealed before. This is just an analysis and an assessment of the videos that I've seen and heard of great physicists. I surely do not restrict myself to one particular physicist alone, but many other prominent physicists who may be an astrophysicist, particle physicist, or a theoretical physicist. The main point is that I'm inquisitive to watch these types of videos. I do not have a degree in physics, but I consider myself as a student of physics. I do have a degree in commerce, which is not in any way related to physics. Maybe you are a student of physics yourself, and you might have many questions in your mind for which you are looking for answers. I even find it puzzling and have many doubts in my mind when I watch these videos and try to update myself to the latest developments. All of us know that time had a beginning at the moment of the Big Bang as far as our universe is concerned. Since cosmologists strongly doubt that the Big Bang might have previously happened an infinite number of times. We know that the farthest mankind has gone is where the Voyager spacecraft is at present, which is in interstellar space. Cosmologists have found after using the James Webb telescope by zooming onto the Proxima Centauri, the star nearest to the Earth after our Sun, that there exists a planet known as Proxima Centauri b, which is in the habitable zone of that star. And they have seen artificial lights on the planet Proxima Centauri b. They have a belief that it is inhabited by aliens. So we have aliens as our neighbor, rather distant neighbor. Just imagine how puny we are, let alone go beyond the Milky Way galaxy with our present technology. We can't even go to our nearest star other than our sun, which is Proxima Centauri. The most famous theory, the theory of special relativity and the theory of general relativity, has excited me like anything. The main idea of the theory of special relativity is that velocity can dilate time or slow down the time. The idea behind the theory of general relativity is that gravity can dilate time or slow down the time as depending on the proximity to a massive object. These theories work practically like the global positioning system or the GPS, which is actually based on this. Many might not be aware that Albert Einstein had a friend called Kurt Gödel. He was a mathematician originally from Austria and he later immigrated to USA. He was influenced by Albert Einstein and he proved mathematically that travel to the past is possible with the basic assumption that ours is a rotating universe. We have no proof yet that our universe is a rotating one, though the Earth and our Milky Way galaxy rotates. Then there is a good chance that our universe also rotates. No other prominent physicist, including Albert Einstein, has proved that travel to the past is possible. Let us assume that travel to the past is possible. That is where the grandfather paradox rises from the oblivion. It states the obvious that if you go to the past and happen to kill your grandfather before your father is born, in that case, your existence becomes questionable. The other day, I had watched a video of Brian Cox saying that travel to the future is already possible, but he totally ruled out travel to the past. Time travel is a controversial subject by any standards. The space time warping is another way to go to the future. We don't have the necessary hardware now required to warp the space time fabric. Very few scientists are of the opinion that if at all we travel at the speed of light, then maybe you can travel into the past. Others are of the opinion that information travels greater than the speed of light. That comes under the phenomenon in quantum mechanics called quantum entanglement. According to quantum entanglement, two quantum particles from the same source, separated by a very big distance, can transfer information faster than the speed of light. Whether it can be replicated, for example, starting by substituting information with something more perceptively tangible, is a matter of debate. Talking of quantum entanglement, along with superposition, is the basic idea behind the invention of the quantum computer, which is unbelievably faster compared to any other computer till date. The grandfather paradox can be challenged with the parallel universe theory. Even if you go to the past and accidentally kill your grandfather before your father is born, then you land up in a parallel universe. Sounds crazy, right?